Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a very interesting site that you can use to solve any of the mathematical problem, and it will write all the steps for that particular problem. Also, it will not directly give you the answers, but it will provide you with each of the steps and explanation. So just simply open any browser and here you need to search for Mathway. Once you do that, just simply search Mathway, and here right the first website which says mathway.com, just simply open this website. Now here you can see a page will appear right in front of you with a particular with a scientific calculator. Here you need to write any of the problem you want. For example, if I write any problem here, it will solve that problem for me. Once I write the problem and send it to this particular way, it will evaluate the problem for me with the steps of the same if a problem have multiple steps. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.